If you filled up your car in the US recently, your engine could already be suffering, not because of age, not because of mileage, but because of the gasoline you're trusting. Some gas stations are quietly destroying engines, while others are actually keeping them running longer. Watch this video till the end, and I'll reveal which gas brands are safe and which ones are nightmares for your car.
Number 5. Circle K gasoline.
Sourced locally, so fuel quality varies by station. Reports of wrong fuel pumped, including diesel into gas tanks. Low or inconsistent detergent levels.
Engine impact. Sputtering, stalling, injector damage. Retention hook. Imagine filling up your tank and destroying your injectors without even knowing it. This happens more than you think at Circle K. Number 4. Safeway gasoline. Not top-tier certified. Weak detergents. Fuel consistency varies across locations. Engine impact. Carbon buildup on valves and injectors. Reduced fuel efficiency and rough idle. Cheap now, expensive later. Your engine won't forgive repeated fill-ups here. Number 3. 7-Eleven gas. Fuel sourced locally. No uniform additives. Driver complaints. Engine knocking, poor acceleration, inconsistent mileage. Hook. One 7-Eleven station may be fine, the next could ruin your engine. Do you want to gamble every fill-up? Number 2. BP gasoline. Additive quality varies regionally, not consistently top-tier certified. Engine issues, rough idle, carbon buildup, loss of efficiency. BP may look trustworthy, but your engine will notice the difference. Number 1. Valero gasoline. Documented lawsuits for contaminated fuel, inconsistent detergent levels, engine impact, injector damage, fuel pump failure, vehicles sometimes undrivable, cheap fuel that costs thousands in engine repairs. That's Valero for some unlucky drivers. Have you ever had engine trouble after filling up somewhere? Comment below with your story. If this is helping you protect your engine, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.